Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and just want to do a little bit of a different video today because we have all wrapped up our stock screener. So alright, been hearing a lot of chatter over on Discord, and just kind of want to address this. So I went back, I couldn't find some of my original programs because I think they got lost. But these are the type of programs that I was helping people with. This is 5.5 years ago. So I want to kind of put your guys' mind to ease of don't be in such a hurry to find something to solve. Be in a hurry to learn something. So now if you have a task and it's in front of you, yes, be in a hurry to do that. But only be in a hurry to learn. So I've done a couple other videos on this, but I hear and I can see it in the text that everybody is just in such a hurry, and that's just when bad stuff happens. So I just kind of want to show, if you guys haven't gone back to see some of the original videos, I mean, they're bad. I mean, they're just bad. I try not to go back and look at them, and I'm glad, and I numbered them for a reason, so I would not be able to delete them. I knew they were going to be bad. I have years, if not decades, on most of you who are watching these videos, and I greatly appreciate that. But if I can learn how to do this, I promise you anybody can. So you just have to think about the problem. How can I make this as simple as possible and explain it to a kindergartner? That's how you should think about it, because everything boils down to, we're either going to loop over it, we're going to count it, we're going to contain it in a container, then we're going to do something to it. And of course, then the more advanced you get, you move up the food chain. But everything starts with some sort of container, some sort of incrementation, increment or decrement, I'm calling those the same, and a starting point. So you have a variable, you're doing something to it, and you're putting it someplace, and then you're either putting it out to the world or you're putting it someplace else to view later. So I implore you, if you don't have anything specifically that you're working on, go and be in a hurry to learn something new. Because, just to give you an idea, so I doubt you could go into the help prompt, type in topics, and just be able to know everything in there. So be in a hurry to learn. I can't say that enough. I know I've said this a lot in here, but just everybody take a deep breath, make sure we're learning something, and then push yourself. So like these videos right here, and the stuff that I was doing early on, I mean, it was hacky. I think I showed you guys a couple of the first times that I figured out how to find a prime number. It was, as to quote my kids, it was trash. But it's supposed to be. You're just learning how to program, okay? And then go back and look at some of these videos. They were just, again, I can't go back and watch them very much. But be nice to yourself, push yourself, and challenge yourself to learn something new. And if you're working on a task, work on that. All right. And also, one thing that I did, just to give you a point of reference, I had 4 problems going on. So if I'd get stuck, I could move on to something else. And typically what would happen is one of the other problems that I was working on would feed into the others, because again, they're all the same. Variables, incrementation, and a container. And that's it. Don't let anybody else fool you or trick you into thinking that you can't learn how to program. It's supposed to be hard, but think of the problem, chop it up into pieces, and make it as simple as possible. Then you can put it in a programming language. So there we go, guys. Hope this helped some of you out. If you have not joined the Discord server, go down below, hit that link. If you want to support the channel, there's a Patreon link there as well. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and make sure you're watching all the way to the end. This is what, 826, 27 videos. So there's probably a good chance there might be a video you have not seen before. So there we go, guys. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and we'll pick back up next week. All right, bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.